Dr. Jaffe, what PERQUE products would help with acute and post-concussion situations?
Well, with regard to concussions, both acute and long term, my son is an athlete and a circus performer. So we've had more than our share of issues of is it a concussion and isn't it? And what we did do was find certain things that, regardless of whether there is or is not a concussion and whether it's old or young, there are certain things that really help the brain recover. This includes nature's ascorbate all L vitamin C, fully buffered, fully reduced, based on the C cleanse, because the amount of ascorbate you need to repair after a concussion or even after any kind of athletic activity or circus performing that shakes the brain, and the safer polyphenolics that we recommend, along with magnesium, our PERQ Mag Plus Guard, 2 capsules, and a teaspoon of choline citrate in water or juice, because all and each of these synergistically helps the brain recover, helps the interneuronal connections restore, and helps reverse acute and chronic concussion, TBI, total brain injury. Now, I also recommend our LifeGuard Tabsule, sufficient to keep the urine sunshine yellow, because not only protecting the kidney and the bladder, this enhances the level of B complex and other nutrients in the brain in a synergistic way to help the brain recover. And you might consider PERQ Detoxin Guard, our triple detoxifier, to enhance the recovery.